Hi there, the Honorable Prime Minister of India. The whole nation feel proud of you. You are of the rank of the great people like Subhash Chandra Bose, and you believe in Ekla Chalore of Rabindranath Tagore, and we really respect you and salute you that you will give our country a very disciplined and very honest and sincere administration. But recent incident in Mumbai, where our brave heart Arnab Goswami has been treated like dog, beaten, hit, kicked by the Gunda Raj of Uddhav Thackeray, and his bulldogs attacked Arnab Goswami, tortured him, kicked him, dragged him, beat him, and the lion is in prison. We are not that famous as is Arnab Goswami. He is known all over the world and you know him personally. Look at how he is being treated. Where is your army? Where is Bipin Rawat? Where is the Supreme Court? Where is the law enforcing agency of the country? If Arnab Goswami is ill-treated, kicked, beaten, his wife is insulted, his son is beaten, what will happen to the ordinary people like us? We always speak very bravely and very smartly because the Constitution gives us the right to expression and freedom. Look at how Arnab Goswami has been treated. And Mr. Narendra Modi, our Honorable Prime Minister, you are watching. Why don't you send Sunook with commandos to shoot all this? To shoot all this? To shoot all this Gunda? Do you mean we should become Vivek Dubey? We should have our own army. We should have our own army and kill all these police gundas and throw them in the well. We should become lawlessness, chaos, countrymen. Mr. Narendra Modi, I feel proud of you and I feel proud of our defense forces. Even my police forces, we are very proud. But you have to use them properly. You have not to allow them to do such kind of ill treatment to the great citizen of India. I tell you, look at me. I tell you, I am ready to die for my motherland. Patriotism is not your private instinct. It is for every patriotic citizen of India. And I will try to influence Bipin Rawat and take over the country. I will become the real guard of every citizen of India. Nobody can dare to hit and beat any of the citizens of India. The Supreme Court is also watching. Narendra Modi is watching. Everyone is watching. High Court is going slow. But the torture Arnab Goswami is undergoing, can it be repaired? Can it be regained? I appeal you, Honorable Prime Minister of India, you hang me because I am speaking strongly. You kill me! We are ready to die! We are ready to die for the liberty, freedom of every citizen of India. Take action! First put the defense forces, Air Force, Navy and Army to treat these idiots, the petty politicians. Maharashtra is very small. And 90% of Marathi love Shivaji and the lion heart of Yogi Virendra Yogi and Narendra Modi and Arnab Goswami. But we don't have guns. We don't want to Vivek Dubey. We don't want to Gunda. We trust our constitution and we trust in the law of the land. But where is the land? Where is the law? Where is the law for Arnab Goswami? Shame! It's shame! It's pity! All are talking. Everyone has talked except Narendra Modi. The Home Minister, the Defense Minister, Nirmala Srivastava, the Finance Minister, they are talking. The Law Minister, talking. Action. Where is action? We want action against these police gundas. We want action against the culprit who is inspiring, instigating the police to ill behave with the citizens of India. Don't provoke the people of India. There will be somebody like me who will influence Bipin Rawat and take over the command of the nation. And I will treat everyone equal. There is a supreme power who can defend India from foreign aggression. And that can be also used to put these Indian citizens who are gundas like Uddhav Thackeray and his chamcham Sanjay Raut. You have been elected because of democratic setup, but he is misusing democracy. You have been elected because of the constitutional definition. Behave yourself, otherwise there are billions of people watching you, and I will take the power because I don't have power, personal power. I will take the power of the nation. That is the Bipin Rawat serious. I have lost trust in the police forces. They don't have their morality. They don't have their character. They are sold. They are bought. Look at Parambir Singh. And he is another dog. Sachin, who has beaten Arnab Goswami, who has ill-behaved him. If power towering like Arnab Goswami can be beaten and hit, what is our fate? We must arm ourselves. The country is not going to save our lives, dignity or our pride. Before the son and the wife, he was kicked, his door was broken, and he came with AK-47. Idiot! Parambir Singh, you have only AK-47. But once I combine my forces with Bipin Rawat, we will have all the forces which can beat China, which can defeat Pakistan within few minutes. Beware gundas of India. Beware gundas of India. The India can rise, and Bipin Rawat, be ready. If they are not using you to protect the citizens of India, come forward. Save our life. The political party is not going to save us. This is an appeal. Kill me if you want to shut my mouth. Narendra Modi, I believe you. I believe you.